Good morning. This video is to serve as instructions on how to complete all the necessary paperwork for Spring 2024 advising for kinesiology. Please note that October 16th through the 20th is advising and registration dates for Spring 2024 courses for seniors, juniors, honor students, and student athletes. October 23rd through the 27th is for sophomores. October 30th through the 10th is for freshmen. Please note this is solely based on credit hours, so please log into My CSU to see how many credit hours you have currently earned. In order to sign up for a meeting time with me, you need to have several documents completed and emailed to me 24 hours prior to your meeting time. This makes meetings streamlined and efficient for all students. So please ensure that all of the paperwork is done and emailed to me 24 hours before your meeting time. If I do not receive your completed paperwork, I will ask you to reschedule your meeting out of fairness to all of your peers in kinesiology cohort. So the first thing you need to do is log into My CSU and fill out the registration agreement and check yes. To find your registration agreement, you're going to log into My CSU. You'll click on Academics. And then in the bottom right here, it should say Registration Agreement. You'll click it, and you'll click Yes. This allows you then to view courses for Spring 2024 and their availability, which brings me to the next point. When you are signing up for a meeting, we'd like for you to be prepared. This is to help set up professionalism and prepare you for the real world and the professional realm. So what we'd like to do, you will have received an email from me with two documents attached. The first document is going to be the degree track of your current major, so strength conditioning emphasis, clinical emphasis, or 3+2, as well as the catalog year. So make sure you are looking at the proper degree audit. Make sure you're looking at the proper year. The year you should be looking at is the year in which your first semester was enrolled in here at CSU. I need you to complete this document in its entirety, filling out your name, ID number, your minor, which is required for strength and conditioning emphasis, and then you'll see all of the courses here listed. What I'd like for you to do in this gray box is if you have taken the course, I would like for you to put in what semester you took this course in and what was your grade. So for example, you'll see here a completed form. The courses that this individual has taken, what semester they took it, TR stands for transfer, and then the grades. This allows me to see what you've taken and what you need to take. In addition to that, you will see the advising agreement form. In order to set up a meeting with me, this needs to be completed and also emailed to me 24 hours before your meeting time. You fill out your name, your emphasis, ID number, semester, spring, year 2024. And here, you're going to list all the courses you'd like to take in the spring of 2024. So for example, you're going to log into My CSU and you're going to do a course search. You will then fill out on that document the course prefix, the section number and course number, how many hours it is, the title of the course, and then the days and times it's offered. And in order to do that, you're going to again log into My CSU, click on Academics, and you'll see this over here. And you're going to click Course Search. You're going to select the current term, which will be Spring of 24, which isn't on here yet. Okay. And then here, course code, you're going to type in the course. Maybe it's a math, maybe it's an English, maybe it's a kinesiology course. Once you've typed that in, you'll press search. And then now you'll be able to see all of the courses offered within that degree. So you can see kinesiology here, course number, section number, title, days, times, and credit hours. All this information needs to be filled out on this document here. So you may be asking yourself, how do I know what courses to take? Okay, so specifically for freshmen and sophomores, this is more applicable to you. Juniors and seniors, you should have a good idea by now. So on the second page of your degree audit, you're going to find a suggested course sequence. It is highly suggested that you follow this course sequence. So if you're a first semester freshman, you might have already taken 101, Gen Ed 101, and these courses here. So then you're going to do a course search for these courses here on the right, spring semester, fall semester. So then just following this as a template, you're going to look for courses that you are desiring to take that fall along with the suggested course sequence. And then again, you will fill them out here. Once this document and this first page is completed, as well as the registration agreement on my CSU, you will email it to me 24 hours before your advising meeting. Thank you. Have a great day.